In this short video, we'll be demonstrating a scenario in which we need to purchase an unusual or uncommon item from one of our vendors to then sell on to a customer. Typically, to do so, we would have to reach out to one of our colleagues in purchasing, maybe via email, instant chat, or phone call to communicate what product we need, what vendor they can find it from, before they can then go source the item, look up the codes, the pricing, the description, etc., before adding that product into our products database. From there, they would have to alert me that the product's available before I can go back into the system and create a sales order for that particular product. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can leverage the Power Platform, specifically a Power Apps Canvas app and Power Automate, embedded directly within our Dynamics 365 application, in this case Finance and Operations, to streamline this process and allow the seller to actually create a draft of that product so they can add it to the sales order. To begin, I'll go ahead and create a new sales order record. In this case, I'll look up one of our Contoso accounts and hit OK to create that sales order record. As I mentioned, this isn't an item that's already in our database. So to solve for that, we're going to use an embedded Power App to go out and look up the number. This particular Power App leverages a free-to-access database called upcitemdb.com to look up the product, the description, price, unit type, etc., and pull that back into our Power App. I'll go ahead and type in my code here, remove some of the spaces, and then when I click Look Up Product, it's going to route a Power Automate workflow to go out, look up that item number or UPC number from the external database, and then pull the information here back into our app. Now that I have all these details, I can go ahead and set up the product within D365, and then I can close out my app. Now that that product's been set up, I can go ahead and look it up by item number or product name. Now that my item has been added to my sales order, I can go ahead and save the record, which will again route a Power Automate workflow to route for approval. Once the new item has been approved, we can then post this sales order and initiate any invoicing processes. In summary, we saw how we can leverage the Power Platform with a Power App and Power Automate to streamline a process within our organization. Specifically, we leveraged an embedded Canvas app that used a Power Automate workflow to access a database external to our own systems to help us quickly add a product into our database to leverage within a sales order.